Nearly 5 decades ago, when Bengaluru was still emerging as an industrial city, a young engineering graduate arrived with one belief: to build something of his own. That young man was Sulaiman Jamal, who would later become one of India's respected names in precision bevel gear manufacturing.
I lost my parents when I was very young. My father I don't know at all. He passed away when I was 2. Mom passed away when I was 8.
Raised across borrowed homes in Coimbatore, he grew up on the kindness of neighbors.
They were my family. 3 days a week, I used to sleep in the house.
But hunger has a strange way of shaping ambition.
I believe that the best motivation in life is poverty, need, hunger. These things you cannot replicate, you cannot simulate.
Music unexpectedly opened the doors to engineering. Engineering brought him to Bengaluru, and Bengaluru opened the doors to manufacturing.
I was very keen on doing something. It was my passion then of doing something in engineering, which other people don't do or cannot do or do not want to do because they don't get quick returns. That goes for everything that I do in my life.
In 1976, with one second-hand machine and more courage than certainty, he started his own manufacturing journey.
I really don't know what drove him because there was such a dearth of opportunities. What we have available to us today was a dream.
I started with IBM and a lot of stories because story is what makes your life. We failed.
But every setback pushed the company toward reinvention.
In India, we will be one of the top 10 in the field of high-end beverages.
What began as one man's passion is now one of India's leading bevel gear manufacturers, delivering specialized, high-mix, low-volume solutions worldwide. Today, the next generation carries that legacy forward.
I'm very proud to be his son and to work with him and to see and be a part of the journey that he started and he created.
I cannot teach you dreaming. I cannot teach you hunger. Just be very passionate human beings